All right, it's November 15th. We're in Carbonton, North Carolina, a little unincorporated town here in Chatham County. And this is the old powerhouse they had here on the Deep River. Had a little dam here and they had a little powerhouse, one of the first power electric stations in the Sand Hills area. And now it's a canoe and kayak put-in area in this little building being used by people to paint on and climb on up in. It's kind of become a local attraction in this area, and so that's why I want to stop in and take a look at it today. Yeah, I was headed over to Sanford, North Carolina to do a little town center video there, and I saw this on the way, saw that it was on the way, and decided I'd stop in here, take a look at it. It's beautiful down in here. Take a look at some of the graffiti painted on this old power station here. The wind's blowing. I don't know if it's going to affect our sound or not, but we'll do the best we can. That's kind of strange looking. That's a beautiful deep river down there, and I guess you can drive down that road. You can see old Revs over there. I think you drive down that road and put your canoe or kayak in and go have a good day. Tim Tan, they were here 4/3/21. Yeah, you can see the old holes in the floor up there, or I guess something will come down through here and do its thing. I don't know how all these powerhouses work. Some of you do. Comment below and let us know. Slick might want to know. There's a new bridge up there. Yeah, you can walk all around it. Look at it from here. We'll go up top in a minute. Yeah, Tim Tam, they walked all around it. Let's go out here to the end. Got some birds making a nest up in there. I don't think they're there now. I imagine that's a good spot for them, spring or summer. Yeah, that deep river is a beautiful river and runs pretty clear. See it coming down through there. I guess all this would have been filled up with water when this little dam was here. Looks like a great place to kayak down through there. Oh, the lover's been here too. Laugh out loud. Old power box. Let's go and climb up. Looks like the pit bull did. I'm glad they left these steps. Maybe they shouldn't have about tripped. Kind of a weird looking one there, but it's kind of funny. Yeah, I'm glad they left these steps in so people can climb up here and take a look around. A little short step. You gotta watch your foot, catch your foot as you go up if you don't watch out. Got plenty of rails to hold on to though. There's so much stuff on that graffiti I can't tell what it says. Let's go around here, get out of this wind. Yeah, all kinds of artwork in here. So I don't know what would have been in these big holes. I'm assuming something turned in there and generated the power. Old rolling door here that went up at one time. Got some eyes over there on the wall looking at me. Some big old windows. Of course, all the windows are gone now. Yeah, there's old skeleton teeth there, it looks like. Peace. Peace, peace. One pervert came in here. You know, windows used to come in and out. You can see like that. Move in and out. Yeah, I guess these things were turning and generating the big power back in the day. Everybody's just painted over each other's work, it looks like. There's some more eyes. Got white running down like tears coming out. Yeah, somebody like painting eyes up here. I don't know how many people would have worked here. They would have had a great view down through there. Yeah, you can see where the dam's on the other side. You can see that piece down there. See if I zoom in. That's the other side of that low head dam they took down since it was no longer needed. And we'll come all the way across to here. Got a cable that goes all the way over to the other side of it. It looks like a power pole. I'm trying to see what it does. I don't know. Don't know nothing about this type of stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to drop in here and check it out. Let y'all see it. It's kind of cool to come in here and hang out. I'm sure the kids coming up in here at night having a good time. Painting little green faces. Who knows? Let's go on back down. And then we may call it here at the bottom. Oh, you got to be steep coming down now. If you catch your heel, you're going to tumble because it's really tight. I hope this wind didn't mess my sound up too bad. Oh, there's a good gust. Woo. Gonna be windy for me all day today. Yeah, I think I'll go on back out here to Rev and head on over to Sanford. Nice little stop. Got a lot of parking up there, picnicking up there. Bring your boat on down here and put it in at the Deep River. Right here at this Carbonton power plant here in Carbonton, North Carolina. Hope you enjoyed this little quick tour of this building and the Deep River that it's looking over. If you did, I appreciate it. If you like, subscribe, and share. Y'all take care.